So I cannot sleep because this little boy is snoring like a grown man, has decided he does not like his bed, and as in mine. And I've been up since about 1 in the morning now. It's now about 4. We're supposed to be getting up in a few hours. But I haven't slept in about 3 hours now. The struggle is real.